Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at something that could really level up your trading game. Specifically, we're diving into the Flux Charts Toolkit and how to use price action indicators right here on TradingView. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find and add a powerful price action indicator, what changes to expect on your chart, and most importantly, why price action is such a key tool for traders everywhere. So if you've ever been curious about using indicators to get clearer trading signals, you're in the right place. All right, let's jump right in. The first step on our journey is to fire up TradingView and head straight to the indicators section. You'll find this at the top of your chart. It looks like a little compass or magnifying glass icon, depending on your version. Click on it, and you'll get a search bar where you can look up all sorts of indicators made by both professionals and the community. Now in that search bar, type in price action. You'll see a list of price action indicators pop up. Some might be labeled Flux Charts Toolkit, while others could be different versions or designed by different creators. Here's the great thing, you can experiment here. Feel free to hover over different options, check their ratings, and read a brief description. For this tutorial, just pick one that catches your eye or has a lot of positive feedback. Don't worry if it feels a little overwhelming. You can always remove indicators and try another if it's not quite what you're looking for. Once you've selected your preferred price action indicator, take a look at your chart. Almost instantly, you'll notice a few visual changes. Perhaps new lines appear or zones are highlighted, and sometimes there are signals or arrows pointing out potential entry or exit points. These changes happen automatically as soon as the indicator loads. It might take a second for your eyes to adjust to the new information. It's a bit like putting on a new pair of glasses. The key is to pause and observe what's been added to your chart and get a feel for the layout. Now let's slow down and dig into what all this means, because it's not just about flashy chart overlays. Price action indicators are designed to help you interpret what the raw price movements are telling you without too much noise. Think of price action as the language of the market, written in candlesticks and patterns instead of words. The reason traders love using price action is that it strips away lagging indicators and distractions, helping you focus on what buyers and sellers are actually doing right now. Why does this matter? Well, if you're just getting trading tips from social media, you might miss key signals that are happening on your actual chart. But with a solid price action indicator, you're reading the room, so to speak. Imagine you're at a poker table. You're not just paying attention to what card is played, you're watching everyone's expressions and movements. Price action works the same way. It tells you when momentum is shifting, when to be cautious, and when there's a real opportunity. So take a moment to notice, for example, if the indicator is highlighting support and resistance zones or flagging up trends and reversals. Each of these clues is giving you more context, helping you to make more confident decisions, not just guesses. And that's it, you've just unlocked a powerful tool that can make your technical analysis much more effective. Of course, like anything in trading, it takes a bit of time to get comfortable and really understand the signals. Don't worry if it feels a bit complicated at first, that's completely normal. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Got questions about price action or want me to review another indicator? Drop a comment below. I always love hearing what you're working on. And of course, make sure you subscribe so you never miss an easy-to-follow trading tutorial like this. Until next time, happy trading.